Alright. Ready. Alright. Hello, everybody. It is me, Wario, number one. Wah ha ha ha. In today's video, well, what do we have here in this so-called pleasure? Well, I got myself here to react to this video called Man versus the Sound of Medicine. Well, the Sound of Medicine. Wah ha 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 ha. Well, not bad at all for a video title name, but that isn't that bad at all. Now, for me, that I, myself, am Wario, number one. In today's video, we're going to react to is Man vs. Machine, the Sound of Medicine. And before we start on with this reaction here, please be sure to give this video a like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, so that way that you will not miss a single video that comes onto this very channel. On the 5th channel of the Mario channel. Now anyway, Wario here, and I will be sure, and very sure, that I, myself, am going to react to the video. Now, I did want to say, and I did want to come forward to tell you guys, is that my brother, Waluigi, is going to be playing Mario and Sonic at the Winter Olympic Games of the Wii. So just remember that the Mario brothers, and also all includes us from the Mario universe, well, we're going to go and compete against Sonic's team in the Olympic events on the winter. Not London, but it's only going to be about the Winter Olympics. So, as for a pleasure, I hope you guys consider the very greatest one, a part 1, which I hope that you guys will like part 1, where my brother Waluigi is going to participate in the Olympics. So, hopefully you guys might as well get some good things for Waluigi to just enjoy what part 1 gives you guys to see what you guys may think about it. So, as in to be clear, by the way, there will be another post about for Peach and Donkey Kong, since the tie is already like tie, like 3rd, 4th face-off. So hopefully you guys will consider to see who be in part 3. So, don't worry, there will be another post for you guys to see what happens next. But anyways, the name is Wario, and if you have any questions, well, be sure to give this video a like and comment and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified. And be sure to do not forget to subscribe to the original person, the original creator, support the original video, so that way that you won't miss a single video that comes to our 5th channel, and then of course, the original video, and pretty much the original creator. So anyway, Wario speaking, and without that being said here, let's react to this, and let's do this, and here we go. Wah ha 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 ha. Anyway, at least I had a bit of garlic on the other early yesterday. At least I had garlic yesterday. But hopefully, hopefully no vampires won't be getting my blood. Or should I say, I could be doing a vampire impression. I'm going to say is, I'm a vampire, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to suck your blood. Now that is a good impression. Now anyways, with that being said, Wario here, and let's go. Now, 3, 2, 1, and action. Okay. Flying. Nice. Oh, here we go. Interesting. Ooh. Looks like it's the doom for one. Oh, whoa, look at that.
Oh, man!
Everyone, behind me! Incoming!
Okay. Alrighty.
This will help.
Okay. Enter the machine. Lift the door.
Successful procedure. Freedom!
Okay. Well, this video wasn't quite bad and not spiffy. But man, did I have to give it a good hoot of saying is that, well, impressive stuff. And I like how the doc, known as the medic, always had a good idea to use something else, which clearly are not that the engineer couldn't do. But anyway, so my name is Wario, #1. And also, I clearly had one question to ask. Is to say is, what's the comparison between a bow and arrow versus a sniper rifle? And also, who would win, a bow and arrow or a sniper rifle? Well, that's a great question. Well, first off, you always have to use the bow to actually get somebody to the forest. Second, use a bullet to use a sniper rifle to get somebody another mildly shot away. So, I clearly don't know who would even win here between a bow and arrow or a sniper rifle, but that could be a very good idea that I never heard of. Or should I say that was even like a good versus into it before it even began between a original sniper and then a robot. So, anyway, now, my name is Wario, and if you guys have any good reason and good enjoyment onto the video, well, be sure to like and comment and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. And if you guys have any questions, well, don't forget that we're going to be doing our very first, and I mean very only #1, very first gaming ever upon our 5th channel. So just remember that it's going to be our very first time ever in this very 5th channel that we will be playing our very own first gaming ever to be on the very 5th channel of the Mario channel. So just know is give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified. That'll be appreciated. So anyway, Wario here, #1. We'll see you again upon next time. And take care, everybody, and I'll see you next time once more. That Wario here. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. See you later.